Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look into this 2021 Transcend 231RK. Let's get going. Starting off with storage, we have one pass-through storage compartment here on this Transcend. It is fully finished and we have two LED lights, but on the other side, we have our utility bay and all the things you need when you're at the campsite, a battery disconnect, even an outlet, a satellite and a cable connection is under here as well. But let's look on the other side where we are going to be having our outdoor entertainment. Before we get going on the outside, just a reminder to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, because we are putting out new videos all the time. So if you want to see something, let us know in the comments below, but let's get started. On the outside, first thing you'll notice is this gigantic power awning. This is really awesome. It really keeps the shade over your entertainment space. We have an LED light strip, some outdoor speakers, and even an extra outlet if you want to hook up any of your gadgets outside. But something also that's really unique is that we have two entrances into this Transcend. This one is for our master and this one is for our entertainment space. So if you have someone taking a nap inside in the master, you don't have to worry about someone going through the bedroom to get to the bathroom. It's easily accessible by both sides. And it's also easily accessible if your slide is in. That's something to note, but let's look inside. Wow, sorry, I came in through the other entrance, but a few overall things that I would like to point out about this Transcend is we have one slide and that houses your fridge, your pantry option, and your theater seating, which you can opt for a trifold sofa here if you would like. Another good thing is all the windows. You have windows both on your dinette that look out into your outdoor entertainment space and on the other side of your camper, as well as in the front of your camper. But let's look at this kitchen first. The convenient layout on this Transcend makes it awesome for entertainment. Your kitchen is right next to your front entertainment door. So if you've got people that need to come in for a snack, it's super easy to jump in and jump back out. But one thing I do want to point out is our control panel is right here to our right when we walk in. Again, pretty standard. It also connects to your phone. It shows you all your tanks. Super easy, and they've added in this shoe organization option, which of course some people don't know what to do with their shoes when they get into a camper, and I love how they added that in, built in. But looking at our kitchen, first thing you notice is all of this countertop space. I love these countertops, and they really did a good job of rounding them out so you don't bump your hips into them. One thing I do want to notice is there's no undermount lighting underneath here, so it could get a little bit dark. But there's also aftermarket options if you wanted to add that into your own personal camper. As far as storage, we have all of these glass front cabinets, great for cups, plates, bowls, party appetizer plates. I know how those can get really big. But we've got plenty of options both above and below with drawers and a little bit extra space here. I would definitely put my keys right there, keep them safe right next to the door right when you walk out. But I really like how the layout of this is. It's super cohesive for parties and entertaining. Looking to our fridge option, we have a gas electric Furrion fridge. Again, I love the LED lighting. It's super awesome and modern. And then we have a pantry option here as well, which is very deep. A full box of cereal would fit in there. I know that's super convenient. Everyone loves cereal, especially the kids. Let's look into our entertainment space though. Again, here we are in our Thomas Paine theater seating. Typical, they all recline back completely, almost to a lay down position, and they won't touch that back wall. You have this really awesome window here behind, but you do have these accordion shades that do a pretty good job of blocking out all the light, especially if you want to have a movie during the day or whatever you want. There is a light in this slide that you can turn on and off, and across from our theater seating is our dinette and our TV area. We have a smart TV on a slide or a swivel, so we can move it to really fit the best angle for you. And on this side, we have our indoor-outdoor speaker system that's easily accessible. You have a master volume for both of those, and you can even add an aux cord if you would like. That's super awesome. Our dinette, though, is a real wood look to it. I really like the height. Again, I'm 5'11". My knees fit comfortably underneath this. And this does switch over to a sleeping area as well. You just lower this table down, take these cushions, put them on top. It's a great place for someone to sleep, and it's pretty comfortable too. Again, this big window and these accordion shades, you see right out to where everyone's hanging out outside. This is a great place to eat a quick lunch and then go on another adventure outdoors. So let's move towards the bathroom. Sliding into the bathroom in this Transcend, we have two barn-style sliding doors, which really add to the extra space. This is a really wide door frame, so no need to bump past people to get to the master, even through the bathroom. Looking here, we have a really nice countertop space for the sink, and a really awesome rounded inset sink as well. Mirrored front cabinet with more storage behind. I like how they added the towel rod here. Looking towards our shower, I am 5'11" and I'm not even near the skylight, but I really like how they add the skylight for extra lighting, so you don't have to have every light in here on in order just to take a quick shower. We have a squeegee shower door that does get rid of all the moisture and funnels it back into your shower. You don't have to worry about mildew there. And then a stainless steel removable shower head and plenty of places to put soap. So everything checks off here. Let's go into the master. Into the master, first thing you notice is this large residential size bed. This is a queen and that is standard. Lots of storage, open storage above here. I'm thinking baskets would look really nice in there. Mirrored front wardrobe options on both sides. These are shelves, but they've added an extra wardrobe option here on the side. You have a place for some hooks or hanging hooks to go. Those are the travel hooks, so your hangers won't slide every time you travel down the road. Some extra hooks up here, and then of course a few drawers down here. There's really plenty of room for 2 people and as many wardrobes for anything you need, whatever kind of adventures are going on. You can definitely get all of your gear packed into this Transcend, but I think I'm gonna head outside. Well, if you like this Transcend or would like to know more, stop by Cookeville RV and Marine or visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.